guys, good afternoon. This is Teacher Paul, your Korean teacher for this afternoon. Don't you know that there are words in Korean that are similar in Visayan? So one of the example of this is subak. So when we say subak in Korean, ibig sabihin is watermelon. So il. So il in Korean is 1 in Sino-Korean numbers. Then another meaning of il is day. Then another meaning of il pa rin is work. So work is il. So for example is kunjang el isoyo. So ibig sabihin ng kunjang el isoyo, may work ba tayo ngayon? So il is work. So another one of the example na Visayan words in Korean is yung pinakabastos. One of this is iyot. So rated is PG. So ibig sabihin ng iyot sa Korean is nivore. Sorry for the words, but that is the meaning of iyot in Korean. So sa atin, sa mga Bisaya, bastos siya. No? So that's it for this afternoon, and follow me in my YouTube channel Sunsing Paul and in my Facebook reel.